All right, so we're going to plot the following points, and then we're going to identify the shape that we made. So we have the point of +4, +1. So we're going to start at 0. We're going to go down the hallway 4, and then we're going to go up the elevator to 1. Maybe. There we go. -4, +1. Go down the hallway, -4. And we're going to go up the elevator to +1. Last but not least, we're not going down the hallway. We're just taking that elevator straight up to +5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What shape did we make? If we do polygon, if I connect these dots here, what shape did we make? What shape did we make? That's a triangle. So we made a triangle. So that's all you have to type there. Triangle. We made a triangle. So we can make shapes on the coordinate plane. Pretty cool, huh? That's going to be it for our more practice. Great job.